And here's how you install the weather guard. Remove the cover. Locate the two triangles on your tube. Right under the triangles, put your fingers inside. You will find two tabs that are sticking out. Push and press them up until you hear a click. Remove the tube. You can remove the skirt or you can actually leave it on. I leave it on. Slide the weather guard over. And then align the yellow arrows with the yellow tabs inside the feeder right here. Put the tube back in, push until you hear a click, and then put the cover back on. And now your birds are protected from the rain and the snow.